Hi students, I am MD Joshibuddin, English teacher, Bharatpur Secondary School. How are you? I hope that you are fine. By the grace of Allah, I am also fine. Today, I will teach you from English second part of class 8, unit 8, topic void sense. Student, in the last class we learned how to make a passive voice from active or present indefinite tense. I hope that you have understood the voice of present indefinite tense. Today I will teach you how to make a passive voice from active voice from present continuous tense. Students, you need to know that in the same way you have to make a passive voice from active in present continuous tense. Only after subject the auxiliary verbs will be changed. This is the difference from present indefinite tense and present continuous tense. Now I am writing the structure of active and passive voice of present continuous tense, and according to the structure we will change from active to passive. Students, look at the whiteboard. The structure the active and passive, PASSIV, passive structure, STRUCTURE, passive structure of present continuous, CONTINUOUS, continuous tense. Active, subject plus and subject is subject are plus ing object বাকি অংশ passive, passive. Subject plus am being plus is being plus oblique are being, oblique are being plus V3 plus y plus object. Students, look at the whiteboard and try to understand the active and passive structure of present continuous tense. Active, the structure of active, subject plus am oblique is oblique are plus b1 plus ing plus object plus বাকি অংশ. On the other hand, the structure of passive, subject plus am being oblique is being oblique are being plus V3 plus by plus object. Students, you notice that in present continuous tense the passive structure after subject the auxiliary verb will be am being oblique is being oblique are being. Students, you can see the difference only after subject auxiliary verb will be sent and the other parts in the sentence will be same. Like present, indefinite tense and other tense. Now I am giving an example. Present continuous. The active structure of present continuous. I am eating rice. Student, you can see subject in passive voice. Rice, and after rice we will use auxiliary verb am being is being are being. We will use is being because rice is third person singular. In third person singular we will use is being. Is being. And after is being we will make V3, that means past participle of main verb. The main verb is hit, the past participle form of it is eaten. Eaten by the object form of I is me. So by me. So this is a passive sentence. Students, you have already noticed that the passive voice is rice is being eaten by me. So this is the active voice of present continuous. The only difference from present indefinite and present continuous, after subject auxiliary verb will be am being, is being or are being, and the rest parts will be same. Students, I am giving another example of present continuous. He is teaching, I am teaching me English. Students, I have given another example of present continuous tense. In this sentence, he is teaching me English. In this sentence, there are two objects, me and English. We can use any object from this sentence. If we use me as a subject, the subject form of me is I. So I, and after I we will use am being. Am being taught. The main verb is teach, the past participle form, that means V3, taught. T-A-U-Z-H-T, taught. English, E-N-G-L-I, by the object form of he is him. So by him. Students, you notice that I have made another passive voice from he is teaching me English in this. From this active voice I have already made a passive voice. I think that you have understood the passive voice of present continuous tense. In the last class we will discuss with present continuous with present indefinite tense. Today we have already learned how to make a passive voice from present continuous tense. In the next class we will discuss about present perfect tense. Students, now I am taking leave from you. We will see on the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.